Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use sideways sales letter techniques to launch your online course, to transform your course launch with proven strategies. First of all, what is the sideways sales letter? It's a unique approach to sales letter developed by Jeff Walker, breaking down the sales letter into a series of emails or videos, engaging prospects gradually, building anticipation and trust. Then why use the sideways sales letter? It creates anticipation and excitement for your launch, build trust and authority over time. It allows for deeper engagement with your audience, then increase conversion rate by addressing objections and provide value to your audience. The structure of the sideways sales letter. The structure of the sideways sales letter. 1. Pre-launch, which to warm up your audience. Pre-launch content, which deliver valuable content in 3 parts. Then 3. Launch, open cart and start selling. Then 4. Post-launch, do the follow-up and close cart. So let's look at each of these one after the other. So the first one is pre-launch. Pre-launch phase, just to warm up your audience with engaging content. Create content to social media posts, blog posts, videos, and emails. The goal here is to create awareness and build curiosity for your online course. Then the next one is pre-launch content phase. Deliver 3 pieces of valuable content. This is where we want to deliver 3 pieces of valuable content. The part 1 is introduce the problem and agitate it. We introduce the problem, look at the problem your audience are facing, then talk about it. Then part 2, provide the solution and demonstrate your expertise. So provide solution and then make sure that you show them that you have the experience, you have the skill, you have everything to solve their problem. Then part 3 is to case testimony and social proof to back up your point. Then the goal here is to build desire and trust with your audience. Then the next one is launch. The launch phase here is where you open cart for limited time. We allow the audience to buy your online course or product or service. Then use urgency and scarcity to drive sales. Tell them you can use urgency and scarcity. You can tell them they have 4 days, or give them the amazing bonuses. Then offer them discount. Then send reminder emails and answers objections. So you can send them reminder email. Then make sure you answer objections that your audience may have. Then the goal here is to maximize conversions and sales. Then the last one is post-launch phase. The post-launch phase is where I want to follow up with your customers and non-customers, those who bought your course and those does not buy. Then provide additional value and undo objections. Close cart and thank your audience. Thank them for those who subscribe to your course and those who does not subscribe to your course. The goal here is to ensure customer satisfaction and future engagement. So we have to make sure that there's a customer that satisfied them for your future engagement in case you want to sell more product to them in the future. So tips for success: know your audience and their pain point. The first step is to make sure you understand the problem your audience are facing, then how you can provide solution to it. Deliver genuine value in your pre-launch content. Make sure your pre-launch content are valuable. They meet their point of their need. Then use storytelling to connect emotionally. Storytelling is one of the best ways to ensure that you connect your audience emotionally. Then create a sense of urgency and scarcity during the launch. Then follow up and nurture relationship with your audience. So these are the very simple steps to launch your online course or product or service using sideways sales letter. Now ready to launch your course? Then join free launch master class training by Jeff Walker. So go to check the link below. Check the description of this video to get access to the link. Click the link and register for the free masterclass training, or go to updupe.com/plf2 to register for the Jeff Walker free masterclass training. Wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching.